Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Maureen Akers. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning.
Yes, here we are. So I hope you had a wonderful Christmas.
I did, and you?
I did, sure did. A lot of time with family.
Good.
So here we are, looking forward to the new year.
Back to work already.
Back to work, yes.
Here we go.
So do you have any suggestions for our viewers for 2023?
Well, I think we talk about a couple of these things all the time. One is fireworks. Let's be safe. New Year's Eve, I know they go off everywhere, but let's be safe and considerate of our neighbors. And there are laws on the books about that, so you've got to do it within the parameters of time allowed, not all night long, where everybody's dog is driven crazy.
Right, and so can run away too.
And run away, right. And then number two, watch the drinking and driving.
Yeah.
You can talk about it, and it still happens all the time.
Yep.
And some of it is over-serving people, some of it is people just being irresponsible. But there's really no excuse these days. Just stay home or get a cab or get a
Uber or Lyft or whatever, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Designated driver.
Let's not endanger one another or ourselves.
No,
So that's really, what else do you talk about on New Year's Eve? That's kind of it.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
and what we have in Columbus going on, these racing, drag racing. This isn't new, but seems to be more frequent now. So I hear about it all the time. I think we've talked on here about racing and concert of action and joint liability for those things. But why are we doing this anyway?
No.
It's been going on since they made cars, I guess.
Yeah.
But no excuse for it.
Nope.
So those are my words of advice going into the new year.
Absolutely. I love those. Okay. What are you looking forward to in 2023?
Well, personally, I'm looking for a fresh start. I mean, we have had it's been a rough couple of years for everybody, and we put in some new systems, took the opportunity when we were kind of down with COVID to upgrade our communications. People like texting now, well, you can't just do that from your phone if you're a lawyer. So we have systems to do that and reach people by email, and every court takes filings through computers now. It's just a massive undertaking to automate these law firms and keep your records digitally. And anyway, it's been a challenge, I'll say that, to get all that set up. I know most business and a learning curve. Most businesses are going through all that, but with COVID finally in the rearview mirror, maybe with our modifications, I'm excited about getting back to work again, doing the law. So anyway, let's have a happy new year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
And be safe, and we'll see you next year.
All right. Thank you, Gary. We'll see you on the next Legal Break.